The traffic sign recognition system on the 500X is able to recognize the main road signs and display the relative icons on the instrument panel. The road signs it can recognize are speed limits, no overtaking signs, signs indicating the end of previous limits. The system recognizes the signs using a front video camera mounted on the windshield. The system can also identify additional road signs that will be displayed in the relative area of the instrument panel display. Fog, when the front or rear fog lamps are on. Snow, when the outside temperature is 3 degrees Celsius or lower and the wipers are on. Rain, when the wipers are on. The system constantly checks the road signs for any speed limits or prohibitions on overtaking. The system can be turned on, off using the menu for the 7 Uconnect systems, or using the instrument panel while using versions equipped with Uconnect radio. System status can be seen on the instrument panel display in the driver assist area. Every time the engine is switched on, the system is active. The system helps to recognize the main road signs and displays them on the digital instrument panel display.